All right, so this is going to be the solution to your exercise 8. Let's look at the requirement. It says Tawara gaming computers will create a number of instructional video clips showing how to access the components in their computers. You will create one of these short video clips. The original video clip was recorded by GPR Video and the audio was recorded by KMB Audio. All video and audio clips produced must be of professional standard and suit the business context. Open this file in your video editing software, set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Remove the first 4 seconds of the clip. Remove all sound from the clip. Once you have done that, you are to save your video clip in .mp4 format with a resolution of 1024 by 576 and the file name this. So not only that you need to save it in with a specific file name, but also a specific resolution. Okay. So let's open up Movie Maker first, and we are going to drop the file which is 20-tgc1 into our timeline. Timeline में set करके आपने देखना है इसका क्या, set the aspect ratio 16:9. So we look at the project. The widescreen is 16:9. Next is remove the first 4 seconds of the clip. So we can select Video Tools, Edit, Trim Tool, starting the selection from 4 seconds. Till what time वो उसने specify नहीं किया. So only the first 4 seconds are to be removed. Starting point आपने set किया. We click on Save Trim. That will remove the first 4 seconds. Next up, remove all the sound from the clip. Movie Maker में sound किस तरह remove होती है? We click on Video Tools, Edit, Video Volume set to Mute. ठीक. After we have done this, save your video clip in the MP4 format. We know how to export in MP4 format, but the point is custom resolution. Movie Maker में custom resolution पहले आपको save करनी होती है, उसके बाद export करनी होती है. मैं दोबारा बता रहा हूँ. Custom resolution पहले save होती है, उसके बाद उस पे export होता है. ठीक है. और Movie Maker में या video editing में या sound editing में, if you provide the examiner with the project file, तो उसके कोई मार्क्स नहीं होते, 0 होता है. आपको असेस किया जाता है आपकी एक्सपोर्टेड फाइल में. सो यू शुड नो कि प्रोजेक्ट फाइल क्या होती है और एक्सपोर्टेड फाइल क्या होती है. ठीक है. अब नाउ हाउ टू सेट द कस्टम सेटिंग्स. उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? वी गो टू फाइल, एक्सपोर्ट करने के लिए कहां जाते हैं हम? सेव मूवी में. सेव मूवी में जाते हो तो आपने अभी तक क्या क्लिक किया? रिकमेंडेड फॉर दिस प्रोजेक्ट. रिकमेंडेड फॉर दिस प्रोजेक्ट का मतलब क्या है कि मूवी मेकर ऑटोमेटिकली खुद से डिसाइड करता है कि किस रेजोल्यूशन में जो है ना हम वीडियो को एक्सपोर्ट करें. नाउ यू वांट कस्टम साइज. कस्टम साइज के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? यू विल हैव टू स्क्रॉल डाउन टू द वेरी एंड. इट सेज क्रिएट कस्टम सेटिंग्स. यू क्लिक ऑन इट. आपके पास एक पॉपअप आएगा. पॉपअप ने आपने अपनी सेटिंग्स का नाम रखना है. लेट्स से दिस इज A1 IT 14C custom setting. So you have to name your setting. ये नाम देना है कि आपको पता चल जाए कि कौन सा नाम है सेटिंग. Now the resolution, it's 1024 by 564. Is that so? चेक कर ले. 576. Okay. 1024 by 576. So height is 576. Once this is done, हो सकता है वो ऑडियो के लिए भी आपको कुछ सेटिंग्स बताए, वो भी आप यहाँ पे कर सकते हैं. यू कैन इवन सेट द फ्रेम रेट. ठीक है, जिसकी हमने बहुत शुरू में बात की थी. यू कैन इवन सेट द ऑडियो फॉर्मेट टू बी 192 kbps, 160, 128 एंड सो ऑन. अगर नहीं कहा हुआ तो वी आर डन विद द रेजोल्यूशन. नाउ व्हेन वी क्लिक ऑन सेव, तो आपकी वीडियो नहीं सेव हो रही, आपकी सेटिंग सेव हो रही. ठीक है. और उसको सेव करने का तरीका क्या है? वंस यू क्लिक ऑन सेव, तो जो भी आपके पास डिफॉल्ट लोकेशन आएगी ना बेटा जी, जो भी डिफॉल्ट लोकेशन आएगी, आपने अपनी सेटिंग्स वहीं पे सेव करनी. यहां पे अभी क्या पे आ रही है सेव करने के लिए? ऐप डेटा, लोकल, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज लाइव, वीडियो प्रोफाइल्स. तो आपने अपनी सेटिंग्स यहीं पे सेव करनी है. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू सेव इट इन योर फोल्डर. सेटिंग्स को सेव नहीं करना होता. ठीक है. सेटिंग्स को बाय डिफॉल्ट लोकेशन पे ही सेव करना है. सो माय सेटिंग इज गोइंग टू बी नेम्ड एज A1IT14C कस्टम सेटिंग. इस वाली को मैं रिमूव कर देता हूं सो दैट वी कैन बी श्योर कि हमारे पास वही सेटिंग्स आए. ठीक है, सो इट इज गोइंग टू बी सेव्ड इन द डिफॉल्ट लोकेशन फॉर वीडियो प्रोफाइल्स. वी क्लिक ऑन सेव and then close. Once this is done, we go to file. Now we are to export our file based on our custom settings. So we go to save movie, file, save movie. It says recommended for this project, and look at this. This is basically your recent setting. If you scroll down, you'll get to see it at the bottom as well. All right, so we need to export it on our custom setting. We go to file, we click on save movie, we select our custom settings, will be appearing in the list. Then select the location where you want to export your file. This is EX8. So over here, the name of the file is very important. It needs to be TGC2 underscore followed by your center number and candidate number. So we're going to name this as TGC2 underscore center number underscore our candidate number. Click on save. This is done. Next, take a still image of the first frame of this clip, save it with the file name TGC3 in a suitable format for importing it into your video editing software. Simple. Scrubber already is at the start. We click on home, we click on snapshot, select where you want to save the snapshot, which is in the same folder, and then bring it at the start. Next up, use the files saved in steps 6 and 7 to create the video clip to match the following storyboard. All text should be displayed in a consistent sans serif font, which is Microsoft Sans Serif. Do not use transitions unless instructed to do so. Right? Time 0 seconds. Background is going to be TGC3, which is already there. Name of the company placed as a title in the top left corner. Name of the company is Tawara Gaming Computers. So that needs to be on the top left corner. Come down here. We click on caption. And the caption is Tawara Gaming Computers. Text or font size is not given. This needs to be on the left hand side. We can increase the text size if we want. So let's say we go ahead with 28. Okay. Next up, time 3 seconds. The title, text, and the background should remain with the text and introduction to your gaming desktops added below the line. अब ये टाइम 3 सेकेंड्स पे हमें पता चल रहा है कि हमारे पिछले वाले की ड्यूरेशन कितनी होनी चाहिए, पिछले टाइटल की. हाँ, 0. वाह, 3. So इसकी duration, we click on the video tools, edit. The duration needs to be 3 seconds. ये जब हम 3 seconds करेंगे, we also make sure that the text duration is also 3 seconds. And I will copy this, paste it. Copy the text again, paste the text on this one. ठीक है. अब second वाले में क्या करना है? The title and the text background should remain. Already है. With the introduction to your gaming desktop added below the title. So इसके नीचे हमें एक और line of text चाहिए. Press enter. And this should be an introduction to your gaming desktop. Increase this so that they fit on one line. Next up, time 6 seconds. Time 6 seconds का मतलब क्या हुआ? पिछले की duration क्या बनी? 3. So we make sure that we click on the video edit. This is 3 seconds. We also check the text. It's also 3 seconds. Time 6 seconds. So time 6 seconds, that means I'm going to copy this, paste it again, copy this text and paste it again. All elements added so far remains with the text how to access the components added to the existing text. So that means another line of text is going to be how to access the components added below it. Achha. Next up is 9. That means the previous is going to be 3 seconds again. So duration of this video needs to be 3 seconds. The duration of the text also needs to be 3 seconds. So at 9 seconds, what do we have to do? At 9 seconds, smooth 2-second transition. Now they have specified smooth 2-second transition between 9 and 11. ठीक है? So जब आप यहाँ पे transition apply करोगे, we'll go to animation and we select animation of this effect. So this is going to be a smooth transition into the video. Now you can also set a different effect like this, right? All I'm going to make sure is that my text duration should be limited to this, which is coming out to be 8.5 seconds. So that means my text needs to be, if it is starting at 6, 8.5 seconds is going to be 2.5 seconds. So click on play. So as soon as the video starts, the text disappears. So I've altered the duration of my text only to accommodate the transition. This is 8.03. Yeah. Let's say 8.03. So 8.03 is going to be 2.03. Now if we play this, okay. Next up, audio clip starts, no text to be displayed, making sure that no text is basically displayed during the video. We just need to import our audio. So we drag and drop our audio clip at this particular position. अब ये देख लो ये वीडियो कब स्टार्ट हो रही है. If I click on this video, I can see the starting time as 8.03. So now I need to click on my music, click on the option, set the starting time to be 8.03. That's it. Next, time 29 seconds. 29 seconds. So we go on to 29 over here. This is 29. What do we have to do? Set a black background, display appropriate credits to scroll up the screen, include the text edited by your name, center number, candidate number in the credits. So I am going to create a split at this particular point and remove this particular video. Now exactly at 29, I am at 29. Look at the duration, 29. I am going to add a black screen. We'll go to home. We click on credits page. Once we click on the credits page, it will be added at the end of your video, making sure that there is no effect applied onto the credits. So click on the credits video, no effect on the text, and no animation. It's already none. The credits, look at the text. Any effect applied, click on to none. Text tools, animation is also set to none. Now we're going to add our credits. The credits needs to include the text edited by your name, center number, candidate number in the credits. Achha. Appropriate credits to scroll up the screen. Appropriate credits can be Tuara Gaming Computers. We created an instructional video clip showing how to access this. So recorded by GBR video, audio was KMB audio. So we can say video by GBR video, audio by, it says KMB audio. Then we say edited by, add your name, your center number, and your candidate number. Fit this at the center of your screen and then apply the effect of scrolling up. Next up, once we are done, export your video clip as TGC4 followed by center number, candidate number in MP4 format. So we go to File, we click on Save Movie. Which setting are we to choose? The custom setting that we have set. So we are going to select the custom settings. The file name is going to be TGC4 and we click on Save. Once the video clip is saved, you can play this in your external video player. I've got a VLC over here, so I will play in that. This is TGC4. Set the audio to.
Remove the two screws from the back of the computer and slide the side panel towards.
Look at this.
Remove the two screws from the back of the computer and slide the side panel towards the back.
Okay. So this was the end to your exercise 8.